To the new video of Jira tutorial where I will show the how to delete any issue. Suppose I have created one issue by mistake, delete me. I need to delete it. So I will just open it. So once I have opened it, I will click on three dots. Here I am not able to see the delete option. So what to do? Maybe I have not got the permission to delete. So how to enable the permission from the Jira administrator? So I'll just go to the project, this ecom project. I'll just go to project settings. I'll just go to people. I'll add my name in the, this is my name. I'll just give a role of administrator, add one person. Here my name comes. So I'll just go to this Jira again. Here, as we are not seeing earlier, I'll just refresh it. So now you click on three dots, we get a delete option. I just go to delete, type delete to double sure, delete. Yep, it's deleted. So this is the way you can delete any issue type in Jira. Now you can go and see in the backlog as well. There is no EA4. Thank you guys.